What's up everybody, Mika here, and today I am finally bringing you my Brooklyn room tour. It's about 90% complete. For the most part, I think I'm just gonna add some artwork on the walls, but other than that, like furniture wise and decoration, I think it's pretty much done. Currently, I am back home in Alabama. I flew to Dallas in May and I stayed there for about a month and a half, and then we drove from Dallas to here like last weekend. We're probably gonna be here for about a week or so, and then I'll be just driving my car back up to New York mid-July, and then I'll just stay there for the rest of the year. I know it's crazy times right now. I really haven't had the motivation to do anything, especially YouTube wise. I recorded this right before I left, literally like the day before my flight, so it's a pretty casual video. I just filmed it on my vlog camera. So as for my room, I stay in Brooklyn in Bushwick. I'm not really sure what part of Bushwick. I have 3 other roommates, so it's a 4-bed, 1.5 bath. I'm not sure how big my room is. I want to say it's 9 by 7 or something like that. Nothing too crazy. I have a really neutral room. You're gonna see like a few pieces that you've already seen my Dallas room tour, so I will just go ahead and link that above. But enough with the intro, so let's go ahead and get started with the room tour. So this is what you see right when you walk into my bedroom. This is a full-size bed. It's the same sheets that I had at the last apartment in Dallas. And then I have the same mattress that I had in Dallas as well, but this is just a full-size. The one I had in Dallas was a queen, and as you can tell, it fits in this space perfectly. I will also link the Dallas apartment tour up in the corner. Pretty much the same furniture except like a few new pieces. These pillows here, these are from Marshall's. My mom came probably like 2 months ago, like end of February, and we kind of got some furniture pieces. And then this on the wall is also from Marshall's. Plants from Marshall's, Marshall's. And I think I got that from Urban Outfitters like a long time ago. On this wall right here, I just have my Polaroid frames. I don't have all my Polaroids, but these are the few that I have right now. And then these 2 right here is just my underwear, socks. And then the rack that it's on, this is the same one that I had at the last apartment. This is from Target, and I just have like heels and stuff on here. And then this is just the bag I use when I go out. This right here is just my laundry stuff. As you can see, I have these bed risers so I could store stuff underneath. And then this rug right here, also from Marshall, so it kind of just goes with the pillows hand in hand, because I didn't want too much color in here since the walls are this like baby blue color, which I didn't love, but once I put the furniture in, it goes together. So on this side right here is this mirror. This is from Home Goods. I did want the IKEA one. That was a little bit expensive and it was probably too big for this space or my room in general, so this one fits perfectly. I can still see my outfit right when I walk out the door. And then I have this coat rack on the back of my door. New York apartments are really small, so you have to figure out ways to put all your clothes, because I had a lot. I think this is from Marshall's too. And then I just have some jackets, bags, and purses and stuff. These are the ones that I usually wear when it's cold. And then I have my FIT bag, and then my bonnet on my door. This right here is my favorite part, just because this holds so much stuff. I didn't realize how much makeup products and skincare products and just bathroom stuff I had in general, so this was really helpful. This is from Michael's. I think it was $30. Really glad I got it. So it has all these drawers, and as you can tell, they're all filled with stuff. The makeup that I use the most is in the top drawer. Some more makeup stuff is like the first 3 drawers, just so I can have easy access, because we only have 1 bathroom, so I kind of just do my makeup right here in this mirror. And then on top, I just have more random things. So this I actually bought from H&M Home. I have all my jewelry in here. This was from the last apartment. I don't have anywhere to put it right now. Makeup brushes that I don't really use, but I didn't have anywhere to put it. These are just some candles, my cotton pads right here, and then also my Q-tips. Right beside that is my hamper. This is actually from Target, and I just did laundry, so it's empty right now. So this is my closet right here. I knew my closet was going to be small, but I didn't realize it was going to be this small. So right now I only have my blazers in here, and then a few dresses, and then some jumpsuits in the back. And then I also have this rack that I took from the house in Alabama. We had it for a long time, but nobody was really using it, so I decided to just grab it. So I have more purses up here, and then the ones that are like side bags are the ones that I always grab or hanging on the racks or hanging on the hooks. Down here at the bottom, can't really see it, but just have a whole bunch of shoes and boots that are kind of in the back. This right here is one of those like organizers that you hang in the closet. This is actually from Walmart. So this is pretty much full of my jeans. The only reason I put it right here is because there's this like block or something right here. Like it's not like a full rack. So I had to put something here so I could also use it for space. And then on my first shelf, these are just like festival wristband boxes, and then like some books and stuff. These are like festival wristbands from the last apartment. These are some more purses. These are the bigger ones, and up top is shoes that I don't really gravitate towards, and then an extra blanket. That is my closet. So this is the other side of my room. When I was looking at furniture and like wardrobe closets, I knew that I wanted this one from IKEA, and I knew that I had a lot of clothes that I needed to put somewhere. That's what this is for. When you open it, it's honestly a mess, but this is just more clothes that I have. And then at the bottom, these are just my pants. I bought this like rod thing from Amazon. I have all of my like summer spring tops up here, so it goes from like short sleeve to like long sleeve, and then like long sleeve shirts. And then I have like dresses and then jumpsuits, overalls on this side because that rack doesn't go all the way across. Since I didn't have that many pants, I kind of just doubled them up and they all fit right here. And then at the bottom, I just have extra towels and washcloths, my winter undershirts like from Uniqlo and all of that right there. And then on this side, so this side, it just has shelves. It pretty much just has random things. At the bottom is more jeans that I have. This isn't really organized, but they just have my shirts in the bag. These are more shirts in the bag. The stuff that I didn't know where to put. This one, more shirts. These are all my shorts, my sweatpants, and then these are just random bottoms. Up here, I have just like some sweatshirts, some shorts. There are some crew necks and like other sweatshirts in the back as well. So they go back pretty far, which is really nice because I don't have any drawers in my room. So this is pretty much all of my clothes. And then up top, I just put all of my shoes. Surprisingly, they all fit up here, but if I get more, it's not gonna fit. The degree's not in there, it's at home. This is my Elmo doll PR thing from Calvin Klein. And then I just have all of my bucket hats, and then that one hat up top. I like the look of my shoes being out just so I can see them. The only thing is this dresser is like really high, so I have to literally grab that chair to get up here, which I need a step stool. But then what I really like is that it has a mirror right here, so I can easily check my outfit before I go to that one. And the lighting's a little bit better because it's closer to the window, and that's kind of hidden by this wardrobe closet, so it's kind of dark over there. But I also do not have anywhere else to put that, so that's just gonna stay right there. But 2 mirrors. And then this corner right here, this is the same chair from the last apartment. This is from Overstock, I believe. I knew I wanted to keep it because I like the pop of blue. This is the chair that I just throw random things on. This is actually stuff that I need to put away, so I just kind of folded it nicely. On this wall, these are the only like 2 fedora hats that I have, and I knew I want to put on the wall this time around. And then this shelf right here, this is also from Marshall's. It kind of goes hand in hand with that one. This is my favorite part right here. So this is actually from Marshall's too. I just have a few rubber bands and then a few barrettes. I thought it just would be a nice display, and I can see how many rubber bands I have left. This is also from Marshall's. It's supposed to be like a paper holder or something, but I knew I had eyeshadow palettes and highlighter palettes that I don't really use, but I wanted to put it on display. The next shelf is just full of my perfumes. These are pretty much all the mini or sample ones that I have, but I just like to keep it on like a candle coaster. And then I have my roller balls as well, and then I have more like full-size ones in the back, and then over here as well. And then this one is kind of a random shelf. That's just my Polaroid camera, and this is more jewelry. And then up top, I didn't have anywhere to put these things, so I just kind of put it up there. So those are just random glasses and then random things down there. This is like a jewelry holder that my roommate gave me, and then a random candle holder. And then I don't know if you can really see it, but this is my side table. This is the same side table that I had in Dallas. I just decided to bring it with me. As you can tell, it just has a bunch of side table stuff on it. It's really cluttered. But this plant here is also from Marshall's. My planner that I do not use but need to use in the back. 2 pairs of glasses. These are just like pens, scissors, a lighter, a clock that doesn't work because I need to put batteries in it, but that's from Kiki. Candle, wallet, headphones, a clutter of stuff. And then I just have my backpack here. And then the balcony is out that way. These blinds, they're like a light cream or like light tan. These are from Walmart as well. And then the one behind it is also from Walmart. I also forgot to mention this is from Walmart. It's like a gold color. Goes nice with the room. I do have a light on the ceiling, but this is just like closer to my bed. Sometimes I don't really like that light on all the time. So I hope you guys liked that video. As you can tell, it was pretty short, casual. I mean, I like my room. I like how it's set up. As you can tell, I don't really have that much space when I put all my furniture in there. But let me know what else you want to see from me. I did want to record more New York content, but after this whole thing started, I literally stayed in my apartment for like 2 months. I walked to the grocery store, got food that was like around the corner, and then I went back to the apartment. So I pretty much stopped taking public transportation in March. But since New York's kind of starting to open up again, we don't know at this point. But since stuff is open, there's a little bit more options. Let me know what else you guys want to see. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.